Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. And I also want to wish everyone a Happy New Year. And with the new year comes Pantone's color of the year, which is Peach Fuzz. Now, while you don't need to change everything up to center around this soft new color, I do have some tips on how you can integrate it into your home. For a little background, the Pantone Color Institute originally created the Pantone Color of the Year educational program in 1999 to engage the design community and color enthusiasts around the world in a conversation around color. They wanted to draw attention to the relationship between culture and color and highlight how the global culture is expressed and reflected through the language of color. Pantone's Peach Fuzz captures our desire to nurture ourselves and others. It's a velvety, gentle peach tone whose all-embracing spirit enriches mind, body, and soul, a color radiant with warm and modern elegance, a shade that resonates with compassion, offers a tactile embrace, and effortlessly bridges the youthful with the timeless. And it reflects our feeling for days that seem simpler, but at the same time been rephrased to display a more contemporary ambiance. Now let's talk about how you can use the color. First of all, you can color drench your room in a peach shade or weave it through your space more subtly. Peach Fuzz is a color that would work equally well in a living room, bedroom, bathroom, or hallway. The beauty of this trending new peach fuzz tone is the balance between warmth and coolness that makes it a suitable pairing for just about any color scheme. The soft peach shade takes on a different aspect depending on where and how it's used. It proves equally as impressionable when being used to lighten a room painted in dark colors, or when it is added to a room drenched in the best white paint colors to create a vibrant accent in comparison. When you have a modern space that feels a bit cold, think about adding a peach tone. When you bring in peach, either in art or accessories, the warm tone allows dark colors to pop. This directs your eyes to the peach hue, bringing additional warmth into a potentially cold space. You can also add simple soft furnishings. Undoubtedly, the easiest way to incorporate a new accent color into any room is by seeking simple, new soft furnishings. From scattered cushions to luxurious woven throws, it's easy to add a hint of color to any existing color scheme. Explore different color combinations to find what suits your taste. Peach Fuzz pairs well with muted sage greens, soft blues, and earthy tones. Play with combinations for a unique and personalized look. The following are Pantone-approved color pairings. Comprised of a medley of tempting treats, libations speak to sophisticated and urban tastes. Flavorful is a group of tasteful shades whose distinct and striking appearance lends itself to complex and engaging color combinations. Hybrid Hues is a palette of hues exhibiting a dichotomy of varied tones, all seemingly discordant yet at the same time harmonious. Peach Plethora is a monochromatic collection of colors embracing the widest of peach tones and barely beige to a peachy pink and a luscious Georgia peach, creating a warm and welcoming ambiance. And finally, Pairings is a friendly mix of tonal color pairings, including 2 variations from the pink, orange, blue-green, and blue families, happily and harmoniously coupled together with each other. And finally, I definitely expect to see a lot of the Peach Fuzz when it comes to party planning and weddings, since it is an easy color to add, especially when it comes to party decorations, balloons, flowers, ribbons, etc. Now tell me, are you Team Peach Fuzz? Let me know in the comments.